Hello everybody, I'm Jeanette Gennaro with Naked Formula, where we strip your lifestyle to help you live well in all of life's areas. Today I'm going to be talking about disinfectants for your home, and I will be giving you a recipe that I use myself. The chemicals found in common household cleaners can disrupt your hormones. It can lead to asthma and other respiratory issues. These chemicals are harmful while you're using them because if you're cleaning in a small space, those fumes can have a big negative impact on your respiratory system. However, the residue that is left over from these disinfectants can also be harmful to the children and pets. A very popular disinfectant actually tells you to wipe it off after use. Not many people do that. I personally have a strong reaction to these chemicals. I feel like my throat is closing up, I have a sore throat, and even as the days go by, if that smell is still lingering in the house, I have trouble breathing. I decided to research what were the best options to clean your home with natural ingredients, not only for myself, but for my children and my pets. My husband and I have been using this recipe for the past year, and we're really happy with how effective it is. The 4 ingredients you need for this recipe are vinegar, that is white distilled vinegar, rubbing alcohol, water, and tea tree oil. The vinegar works great as a solvent. This means it's going to break down dirt and oil, and it's going to help, overall clean any buildup of dirt. Vinegar also works as a deodorizer. Now, it does have a strong smell at first, but as that smell dissipates, it's going to take other odors along with it. We use rubbing alcohol as well in the recipe because it acts as a great disinfectant and it evaporates very quickly, allowing for the surface to be streak-free. The tea tree oil is added to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi and fight mold and mildew growth. It's pretty violent for something with a name like Melaleuca. Not only can you feel safe with using this product around your children and your pets, but you're going to be saving a lot of money because these ingredients are very common and they're not expensive at all. You want to know a secret? I love shopping at CVS because of their extra care bucks. It also helps that they're just down the street, so I can put the kids in the stroller and easily get whatever items I need without having to wait till I have access to the car. But honestly, it's those extra care bucks. They get me really excited. Let me know in the comments below if you're into shopping there or what other sort of couponing system you are into. Back to why I brought that up. CVS is not sponsoring the video, but I mention this because I'm able to get all of these ingredients for free. I find a way to purchase paper towels and toilet paper when they have a special promotion going on. Then I use the extra care bucks that I get to purchase the vinegar and the rubbing alcohol and the tea tree oil. Once you have all your ingredients, find a large glass container. This one in particular is an old water bottle. You're going to combine 3/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of distilled vinegar, 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 50 drops of tea tree oil. An easy way to add the oil is simply tip over the essential oils bottle and place it right over the opening of your glass bottle and just allow it to drip in. Once you have all the ingredients combined, you can mix them up in this jar and then distribute them as you need into your different containers. For the floor, I put them into this container that was originally meant for oils, but I really love how it evenly distributes the solution on the floor when I'm going to mop. Then I have these spray bottles. I fill these up and I use these for the kitchen and the bathrooms. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. You're going to get more content like this and other videos on how to live well in every area of your life. Bye! Don't go anywhere just yet. If you liked this video, take a look at these below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Extra care bucks. I love it.